Hello, and we'll be making my sushi DIY play can eat, and we'll also be trying Peelerz. First, we'll be trying Peelerz, which is a gummy snack that you can peel off, and it has a nice smooth outer layer with a nice sticky sweet inner layer. Smells so good. So now we will try it. This is what it looks like. So it's basically built like a mango, and you might think it's just a regular like gummy, but in the inside, wooey wow 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 wowzers, it is built like a mango. Wow. And an anonymous person will now be trying this. Say hi to the camera. Wow. It tastes amazing.
It tastes so good.
Wow. Okay. He rates it a 10 out of 10. 100% you should buy. Now we'll be trying my sushi DIY play can eat. And basically, this is confectionery fondant that is edible to eat and you can play with. And you will be turning it into sushi. It's so amazing that a dog can eat it. No, I don't think it can. Don't. Wow, this is what it looks like. From here, these are the 4 stuff we'll be making today on this recipe journey. Wow. Now we'll be opening it. So basically, it comes with this mold, some sugar, some fondant, more fondant, and guess what? More fondant! Yay! So now we'll be making the recipe. So the first instruction is to pick out 2 white pieces and combine it into 1 piece. So I'm guessing it's this. And we'll be combining it into 1 piece. This actually smells like Sprite. It smells like Sprite. That smells so good. I thought it was just gonna be like fondant. This tastes, let's try it. That's good. Okay, I take that back. It's not fondant. It is actually some nice, yummy candy. So basically, you have that. Combine the 2 pieces into 1 piece, and then we're supposed to pick out 1 small part of the about size of a circle 4 and 7. That's amazing. So, have that there. Open this up. Open. Just like that. Where is it? Okay. So now we will be making 4 of this because it is supposed to be some mysterious rice. 1 rice piece. A 2nd rice piece. And now a 3rd rice piece. And this is the last rice piece. Now we'll be dividing the red one. Wow. This one smells like strawberry. That smells good. Wow. Now we'll be pressing it into the mold. And you'll be now needing 3 of these. Yeah. Where'd it go? Oh. It tastes like strawberry jello. And now we will divide another 2 red pieces into 4 small pieces, and then divide yellow pieces into 4 pieces. Now we'll be making another candy. And this smells like pineapple. Wow! So now we'll be making another flavor. Oh, this is sticky. Another flavor by mixing some colors too. And this is supposed to make it into like another orange. I hope. Wow, so colorful. So basically it turned into the color. And now we have that. Now we will be making, oh wait. Now we will be making the other one. Oh my gosh. Now we have the candy. Now we're going to put it in this mold that we have here. Before we do that, we're going to do this. And yeah. Which is supposed to place. Okay, now we have it there. And now it is time to assemble it onto the sushi. Wait. So that's our first sushi. That's our second sushi. And this is our 4th sushi. I mean, 3rd sushi. Oh. And then another sushi here. And then we will open the black one. And now I made these 3/4. And now we will be making the last thing. And now we will be adding this on top. Yes. Literally eating queen. Yes. Now we are done with our sushi. Thank you for watching.
Tastes like the stuff that the dentist put. Mm-hmm.
Low-key does not taste bus.
6.5.
I rate this 5.10. I mean 5.5 out of 10.
Also, kind of too sweet.
Thank you for watching.
Mm-hmm.